choreo. Oh shit. Oh, whoa. What's that? Watch. This tree's nice. This tree's nice. Look at him. Fuck you. Fuck you, you piece of shit. Alpha Drive 1. OMG. Oh my God. MV. It's your boy Dre. I just ate something spicy, so if you hear me breathing, that's just me just dealing with spice. I usually am good with spice, but let's get into this reaction in 3, 2, 1. Today's weather. Ooh, bread. Oh. Oh. Oh, damn, he got some messages. He's gonna jump. Oh. Oh, he's seeing his friends. Oh my God. Ooh. Wait, hold up. Oh, hell no. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Hold up. Ooh, what is that? Hand choreo? Oh shit. Oh, whoa. Hey, shout out to Leo. They got Nextel phone being noise. This goes hard. I like this. Ooh, throw back to that iPod. Damn. Ooh. Hold up, hold up. We don't care no more. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Not the. Oh, I already know what move they doing. That's dangerous as hell. What the hell? Damn, that hand choreo is crazy. 2020 coded. I can see that. Ah, oh, it's over already. Man. Wow. No school tomorrow. Alpha Drive 1, everybody. Yeah. Put a comment down below what you guys think. That was fire. Someone, Tess said it's 2020 coded. I dig it. Kinda agree. I kinda agree. I have to agree. All right, y'all. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.